East Main Trains. Hey everybody, it's Mark on the road, and today I'm in Thurmont, Maryland, and we're going to check out this train store. From what I can see, it looks like a lot of Lionel trains, but let's go inside and check it out. Take a look on the outside before we come in. Some Rail King New York Central, Pennsylvania hopper there. Got this nice Lionel set running around in the window. All right. Oh, this is cool. Engine has a little graffiti on it. Well, from what I can see, it looks like mostly Lionel. Some water towers. Really nice collection going on here. Oh, look at these plows. Nice tankers. A little bit of everything in this store. We're just at the front. Very well laid out. There's some box sets up here. Nice selection of cabooses. A lot of cabooses, a lot of box cars. Good steam engines here, electric and diesel. Oh, nice Amtrak here. The superliners. Nice superliners.
How to stir the pot.
Oh, yeah. I was only charging 20 bucks a piece for them, so that was just...
I have Biden and Trump push cars. I bought 20, whatever. Got that one.
Oh, this is cool. Oh, nothing running back here. Nice setup, though. No fast track. Good amount of it. I got a little bit of HO. Good HO. No N scale that I've seen yet. Oh yeah, nice here.
Got it. Yeah.
Collection of Santa Fe.
That is true.
Oh, a nice Rio Grande.
Is that?
Yeah.
What's going about tomorrow?
No,
No, we're not going to change up to on it, then Oops. We still got a week with you yet.
I like the Western Maryland. There you go, Porky Pig. Oh, some nice auto racks. Oh, it's Amtrak. And then Union Pacific. And Amtrak's nice. I can't see the price on that. I don't have my glasses. Single and double containers, even some piggyback. Up the stairs, more trains. Maybe there's layouts up here. Holy mackerel, there's full upstairs also. This looks like a lot of vintage stuff and toys. Wow, look at these old Lionels. Bumpers, crossing gates. So much to look at. I mean, everything is laid out very nice. These are in the original boxes. Hit old Route 66. Oh, these are old American flyers. Halloween train. Oh my God, I actually had a set like this. The old Tyco HO scale. That's crazy. Oh, we found some in scale. Oh, there's some Katos. Oh, look at that. Check out that Conrail. Oh, wow. Check out this Amtrak set. That's cool. Very cool. This is a great store. If you're ever in Thurmont, Maryland, come to the East Main train store here, and you won't be disappointed. There is a lot of trains here. It's very well lit. Everything is very well organized. Prices are pretty good there. Not too much in scale, but that's okay. There's a lot of Lionel here, and I'm sure you can definitely find something. And I think that's gonna do it. And on that note, Mark saying, see you on the road.